In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable your microphone on your Toshiba laptop, tablet, or traditional desktop computer. So if you want to allow permissions for apps to use your microphone or not, in today's tutorial, I have you covered. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best results, you go back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select system on the left panel, and then on the right side, select sound. And then scrolling down underneath advanced, select all sound devices, and then select your microphone input device on the list. And then you can select don't allow if you want to block it or allow if you want to enable it. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.